In this video you're about to watch, I'll be plowing my quarter-mile long gravel driveway. Now here's the thing, it's the beginning of the season, the ground is not frozen yet, and I don't want to be plowing my gravel off my driveway to the sides. Now you might say, well, that's why you should use snowshoes on your plow blade, which I don't have on there. Well, snowshoes don't work that great when your ground's not frozen either, because all it does is dig trenches. It kicks up the gravel in front of your blade, and you end up moving it to the sides anyway. It just makes a mess of your driveway. Here's what I do. I'm using a 1.5 inch diameter ABS pipe that is slipped over the wear bar, or you may call it a cutting edge, of the plow blade. And like I said, I use this when the ground isn't frozen yet, and it prevents the gravel from being pushed off of my driveway. And it works great. Now I get a lot of comments, and here are some common questions. Does the ABS pipe slip off of the plow blade? Mine has never slipped off, not much. Maybe it's come out an inch or two, but it's never slipped completely off. I don't know why some people say theirs slips off. Maybe they're using a different size ABS pipe on their plow blade. Maybe it fits different on their plow blade. But on this Kimpex Click and Go 2 plow blade, that 1.5 inch ABS pipe on the wear bar here fits really snug and tight. Like, look at this. I can hardly move it. Some people say their pipe busts up. Well, I've never had a pipe bust up. On the edges I have, where I've hit the curb or something, but not the whole ABS pipe bust up and fall off. Maybe they're using PVC, which is a softer plastic. I don't know, but ABS pipe works fine. Some people ask me too, does the ABS pipe ride up on top of the snow, like over there on them clumps? Would it ride up on top? No, it doesn't actually. It digs in. Sometimes if it's a real wet, deep snow, you may have an issue with that, but then you just make a few more passes and it'll dig in and move it. But like I said, I only use this when the ground is still not frozen. Once this driveway has a good snowy ice base on it, it's hard, I take this off and I just run the straight blade right on top of it. Doesn't damage the driveway, doesn't dig it up. It works perfect after that. It will not dig up the grass, makes you a good path, and you don't have to worry about a thing. It works really good. All right, let's get to plowing with the ABS pipe on the wear bar of the blade.